grave hunting duo. Hello, welcome to the Grave Hunting Duo. I'm Craig.
I'm Lexi.
And on this video, we've got a special guest. We have got, who are you?
Lily.
We have got Lily. And,
my sister.
yeah, and she's the one who does the editing for our videos. But she wants to tag along to this one because she likes the story of this one. So we're going to go see Florence Nightingale.
Who's she?
She was a famous nurse in the war. She helped all the wounded soldiers and that. And she is buried at St Margaret of Antioch churchyard in East Willow, Hampshire. So we go see her grave, put some flowers on, pay our respects, and sit on the bench, have a chat. Yeah, you want to do it, girls?
Yeah.
Good. So we're just going to jump in the car now and make our way to the gravesite. So we shall see you in a mo.
Bye.
See you in a bit.
Bye.
Right, so we just turned up to St Margaret's of Antioch churchyard in East Willow, Test Valley, Hampshire, to see Florence Nightingale's grave. So we'll go put some flowers on, pay our respects, and sit on a bench like we usually do, and have a little chat about her. And so we'll do that. All right. So Florence Nightingale was born on the 12th of May 1820 in Florence, Italy, and died on the 13th of August 1910 in Mayfair, London, aged 90. She was a nurse and an author. She was a leading advocate in her day for improved medical care in hospitals, infirmaries and battlefields. She significantly reduced death rates by improving hygiene and living standards. Nightingale became an icon of Victorian culture, especially in the persona of the Lady with the Lamp, making rounds of wounded soldiers at night. She has been awarded the Royal Red Cross in 1883, Lady of Grace of the Order of St John in 1904, and Order of Merit in 1907. Florence Nightingale turned down several proposals and was never married, and she never had any children. Nightingale is buried at St Margaret of Antioch Church in East Willow, Test Valley, Hampshire. Like I said, just where we are. Florence passed away in her sleep in her house and was bedridden and blind. There is an International Nurses' Day, which is celebrated on her birthday. She had published some 200 books, reports and pamphlets, and is still being printed today. So that's what I found out about Florence Nightingale. Did anyone else find anything else about her?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Craig, do you know that in 1860 she laid the foundation of professional nursing with the establishment of her nursing school at St Thomas's Hospital in London?
Oh, did she? When was that?
In 1860.
1860. Oh, right, that's good. I didn't know that, but yeah, that's good information. So yeah, if anyone else got any more information about her, let us know in the comments. You know, we'd love to hear about it. So yeah, that's a little read up about her, and yeah, let's go find her grave now and pay our respects, shall we? Yeah, you guys ready?
Yeah.
So we shall see you in a bit. So catch you in a mo. Right, so we're just going to find the grave of Florence Nightingale. But as we've come up, we've just seen a war memorial. So just going to take a little view of that before we go see her grave. And we'll just have a look at the church. Okay. Go up some few steps. It's a nice day today, isn't it?
Yeah, Lexi's yeah.
So right, let's go flip this round. There's a war memorial here. Got the willow memorial. Demolished by traffic accident and resisted November 1984. Is that there? To Gloria God, a memory of those from this parish who gave themselves up for us in the Great War. It's got some names around their sides. So that's a little war memorial. So we'll go have a look at the church. So yeah, we'll go see the church.
Yeah.
And then Florence Nightingale's grave, shall we?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to do that, girls?
Yeah.
Right, come on in. Let's walk through. Let's pan this round in a minute. We'll go find her grave. And check out some of these other graves as well. Alright. There's the church here, just pan this round. Right, here's the church here. Nice old church, isn't it, girls?
Yeah.
So, let's have a little walk round here.
You know, in the war times, they used to build buildings out of just stones
Yeah,
instead of bricks.
I think that's all they had that day and age, wasn't it, Lex?
Yeah. Because you can see all the, you can see all of them in the walls.
Yeah. That's all the stonework, isn't it, Lex? It's a nice bench, isn't it? Florence Nightingale's bench.
So we should sit on that later.
Yeah, you want to sit on that one later, do you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
At the end, then, we'll sit on that bench.
It says
Right, do
St.
this.
Thomas's Hospital, Nightingale School.
Oh, yeah. That's the Order of Merit she got there as well.
And that looks like someone who's in the war who's got hurt, and that's her, isn't there? Oh, and there's a lantern there when yeah.
And what was she called?
The lady with the lantern.
The lady with the lamp.
Oh,
That's it.
This is something else. Here am my Lord, send me,
Isaiah.
Isaiah.
Yeah. Well done, girls. That's good reading.
Yes.
So. There's the church door there. I think that's her grave there, the white one. Do you reckon that's hers, Leos?
Yeah.
Lex, do you reckon that's her
It is
grave?
big.
It's a different colour to all the rest of them, isn't it?
Yeah.
All the rest of them's like a grey, and that was, and it's in the middle as well.
Yeah, that's
It's
right.
bigger.
And I think it's a brand new one because she did dominate it. So easy.
Right, but what we'll do, have a look round first.
Okay.
Look at some other graves. Alright?
Try to find it. Dad, there might be bunnies here.
Hopefully. Hopefully there's a bit of wildlife to see here, isn't there?
Oh, do you remember last time when we saw a bunny?
Yeah.
Friend, come on, That was fun. I said bunnies, and the bunny went past.
Somebody went past. It's quite,
So
quite a nice churchyard, isn't it?
Tons of graves.
There's loads of graves, loads
if
of old graves,
you
isn't
see
it?
that video, comment down below. I saw that bunny.
That's the old cemetery. There's no, doesn't look like any new graves really, is there?
No. Even how old, like, there's how old that church
They
is.
all look like the same graves. They're different, like,
Yeah, they do need cleaning, don't they? So you can read some of the names on it.
I'd probably clean them when I'm older.
Yeah, Sarah.
Or when I'm 18 or 19.
Yeah, you can barely read the names on them. So this is a graveyard here. We're not going to go too far. Going to pay our respects in a minute. Have a look at some of these.
you can read that one.
Some of these are clean.
This one's an interesting grave, isn't it?
Yeah. It looks like two coffins. Like,
Yeah, checking them. Husband and wife and buried next to each other.
Yeah.
Because look at the shape of them.
Yeah, it needs looking after a bit, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So hopefully you've got family that can come on down and have a look. So should we go to Florence Nightingale's grave now?
Yeah. Says we have to walk.
We've got to just turn around, Lex, and walk back. Okay. So. Another view of the church. The stained glass windows.
Yeah. Do you know how old this church is?
I don't know.
It looks very old. Like,
Yeah.
you can see the rock.
Yeah, it's got to be an old church, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look how much rock.
They wouldn't build a brand new church with rocks.
That's it. If you walk in the middle, girls, it'll be fine. So this is Florence Nightingale's church, graveyard. So a headstone.
Look, it says something on this side.
Yeah, I'm going to have a look around in a minute, babes.
Nightingale.
Wow, that's a lovely headstone. It's big, isn't it?
Yeah. It says F.N.
F.N.
Yeah.
On your side.
Yeah. And it says born 12th of May 1820, died 13th of August 1910.
Yeah.
And it.
So it's got a mother that's buried
my
here.
My side says William Edward Nightingale of Emberley in the country and
Leah Hurst.
Died January.
Wow. Well done, girls. So yeah, I think it's a mum and dad
And Florence.
and Florence. That's it. Let's get wide views. All right. Okay, girls, do you want to put the flowers down?
Yeah.
That's nice, isn't it? Do you want to touch the headstone?
No. Oh.
Then you can say you touched a piece of history.
Yeah.
That's it.
Try my hold to put on that. They're like moons on the side of it.
So thank you, Florence, for what you've done. You know, made history. So kids like Lily and Lexi will learn about you at school, and other children learn about your generations, and helped all those that was in need in the war. So yeah, thank you, Florence, for what you did. You're very kind. Hopefully there's more kind people out there like you in this world. So right, we go pay pay respects on a bench, shall we?
Yeah.
All right, girls, so let's have a little chat on a bench. So, yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you like it. And Liz, did you enjoy your adventure?
Yeah.
Yeah, you learnt something new, didn't you?
Yeah.
Well, you, Lex, did you enjoy Florence Nightingale's grave?
Yeah.
So, yeah, thanks again for watching this video on this bright summer's day. And what have they got to do, Lex?
Like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell.
Yep, that's what they've got to do, isn't they? All right, so if you could do what Lexi says, that'd be a massive help to our channel. And like I said, we reply to all the comments that we get. So thanks again, and hopefully you join us for the next video. And so yeah, thanks again, and we shall see you in the next video. From me, Lexi and Lily, take care, happy grave hunting, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay, say bye, girls.
Bye.
See you later, thanks, bye.